faces all around me, they just fade in the blue. And I can sort of shake the feeling that I'm lonelier with you. Empty faces all around me, they just fade in the blue. And I can sort of shake the feeling that I'm lonelier with you. Come get me high, we'll fade away. Come get me high, we'll fade away. Don't wanna stay. Come get me high, we'll fade away. And all these empty faces got nothing to say.
Hello my sweet friends and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well today guys I'm going to share with you 2 exciting DIY baby blue tablescapes. I hope you enjoy. So guys, this is my breakfast area. I've shared it many times here on YouTube and I'm going to start first of all on conditioning my wood table. Now this table is from 1825 Interiors and I got this wood conditioner from them a few years ago guys. It's lasted me that long, and what I do is I go around every few months and just condition the wood and it comes up so beautiful. Now, one of my favourite pastimes is decorating this table in a really pretty tablescape. My heart skipped a beat, guys, when I was recently in Kmart and they have released these beautiful baby blue fringe placemats.
Come get me high, we'll fade away. And all these empty faces got nothing to say.
Now I love to decorate with vases as my centerpiece for my table, and I recently picked up this beautiful vase from Early Settler Furniture and I created some beautiful bouquets with these dollar store finds of these gorgeous blue flowers. Now these are from the store Silly Sollies that I've mentioned before, where everything is $5 and under. Now I like to change out my art in my breakfast area and I had these beautiful ginger jar canvases. Now I've had them for a few years now guys, but I picked them up from the Home Sweet Home furniture store. So guys, I'm going to add these beautiful black and white plates. Now these are a Mackenzie Child's dupe that I got off Amazon, and what I'm going to do is layer the 2 sizes. So I wanted to add something really pretty onto the plates, and I had these napkins guys. These are from Pillow Talk, and I seen a DIY recently from a number of people that are doing bow napkins. So today I'm going to show you how really easy it is to create a bow napkin. So basically you're going to fold your napkin in half. You're going to get that pointy bit at the top and you're going to bend it down once. You're then going to take it and bend it again, and then take the bottom and meet it in the middle. You're then going to take a napkin ring of your choice and you're going to slide it down the very middle. You're then going to take each end of the napkin and you're going to slide it through underneath the napkin ring. How adorable is this, guys? It is so super simple and makes such a pretty accent to your tablescape. my really pretty flower arrangement to the center, and I wanted to add these pretty glasses, guys, that I recently picked up on clearance from Kmart for a set of 4 for just $4. Also from Pillow Talk, my beautiful checkered cushion here is one of my favorites, and I like to use it as the centerpiece of my pillow collection. I am in love with my little blue bow napkins. I just think they are so adorable, guys. They are definitely an easy DIY, and they are definitely a talking point in my home.
I had a feeling you'd come back and save me from all those lonely nights and heartbreaks, and I feel misplaced without you. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to, never wanted to end it like we did. I guess shit happens for a reason, but it's like something feels different from back then. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to, honestly I'm open wide. I don't feel like waking up without you by my side. I still see your silhouette. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to your bedroom?
So guys, now I'll be showing you my second tablescape, and I'm going to use those same Kmart little placemats first of all. And because I'm going for a neutral theme this time, I also added these brown and white check plates, which are from Big W.
For all those promises I made you that I couldn't keep, but it's like something feels different from back then.
And to the center, I added this gorgeous rustic vase. It is so gorgeous, guys. It's also from Pillow Talk, and I added some beautiful fake flowers from a local dollar store.
I still see your silhouette. Why don't we go back to?
So now I wanted to add a really fun rose centerpiece with my napkin. So I'm showing you here an easy way to do this. Just fold your napkin in half, roll it up the middle to almost the very top. Then you're going to take the corner and you're going to roll that as if it is a sausage. Now taking the very end of the napkin, you're going to tuck that inside. You're then going to fluff out the 2 pieces on top, and voila, you have a pretty rose centerpiece.
First time I ever saw you, I fell in love when you entered the room, and when the light hit your face.
I changed out my cushion to this neutral one, which is a pillow cover from Temu, and then I added to my table these little gold hobnail candle holders. Now, rather than using them as a candle holder, I'm actually just going to put some little white fake flowers inside.
Oh, hold me close, promise you won't let go. I'm nothing without you, I don't know what I would do without you. You are the one
comment down below what was your favourite tablescape. I really can't choose which one is my favourite, guys. I really love the innocent and delicate touch of the DIY napkin, and I love the little bow as well as the rose. Let me know which one is your favourite.
I will keep loving you as long as my heart's beating. Oh, hold me close, promise you won't let go. I'm nothing without you. I don't know what I would do without you. You are the one I choose. I wanna grow old with you. I'm nothing without you. I don't know what I would do without you. 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 Do without you.
If you're new to my channel, I'd like to welcome you here. My name's Michelle, but most people call me Chelle, and I'm the creator of Chelle's Glam Home.
First time I saw
I'm an Australian YouTuber who absolutely loves to share my passion for home decor. I share DIY projects, inspirational ideas, and home tours of my home. So if that's something that may interest you, I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button so you can become a part of Chelle's Glam Home family.
you won't let go. I'm nothing without you. I don't know what I would do without you. You are the one I choose. I wanna grow old with you. I'm nothing without you.
I'm now uploading every Wednesday and Friday, guys, at 8 a.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. I'd really appreciate you giving me a big thumbs up, as it really helps the channel. And don't forget to tap your notification bell so you'll be aware next time I upload a video. So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.